Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app, and in this video I will show you 4 possible ways to find product on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, one of the first easy way to find products on 1688 shopping app is to click on here. Then go ahead and type the name of the product you are looking for. Click on here again. Like for instance, if I'm looking for ice cream machine, hit on search. Then in a few seconds, you are going to see a similar result based on the product name you enter. Then you can swipe this way and then check product by different brand and different category right here. Continue to check right here. So this is one of the first easy way to find product on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let's go back to the home page right here. Continue to go back to the home page. Another way to find product on 1688 Chinese shopping app is to look for a latest product. For that, go ahead and look for this particular icon right here, which written new. So click on it and it's going to take you to all new products that have been posted by different store on 1688 Chinese shopping app. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products in this category right here. Then you can also come to the top right here, click on here, and then this will allow you to navigate to another section of different new products. Click on here, you see another section of new products. Click on here, you see another section of new products. If you swipe this way, there are a lot of new products in this category right here. So different category by different store. The more you scroll down, the more the different products is going to load up. Click on here and see another category. So this is the best way to get new or latest product by different store on 1688. So let's take a look at another way by which you can source for product on 1688. So the third way to source for product on 1688 is that if you are looking for direct factory manufacturer of different type of product on 1688, what you need to do is to click on this particular icon right here. When you click on here, this will take you to all available direct factory section. Lastly, go ahead and click on this icon right here. This will take you to direct factory of different products on 1688 right here. There are a lot of different factory of different type of product section in this category. Just allow everything to load up and continue to scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different factory right here. Let's say for instance, I'm interested in this shoe factory right here. So what we want to do is to go ahead and click on the product link. They allow you to load up, then it takes you to their factory catalog right here. You can scroll down and see different products in their catalog. You can swipe this way. This allows you to see more products right here. So if you're interested in any of the products, go ahead and click on the product link. So let's say I'm interested in this. I'll click on the product link and it's going to load up right here. So you can see the product right here. So you can read detail about the product right here. So if you're interested in the product, go ahead and add the product to cart. You can check the product video, swipe and check the product picture right here. Scroll down and check on the detail about the store. And this is the identification that proves that this is a direct factory on 1688. The more you scroll down, the more you see detail about the product from their catalog. So this is one of the third way to find product on 1688. Let's quickly go back. The very fourth one I want to show you on how to find product on 1688 is known as image search. Go ahead and click on this camera icon right here. So after click on the camera icon, position your camera on a particular product, which allow you to snap the product picture live. Go ahead and snap the product picture Or better still, you can upload product picture sample and you are getting the same result. Just like what you see right here, this is a similar result of the live product picture I just took right now in this video. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products, different store that have a similar product based on the picture that we upload on 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. So this is one of the four ways by which you can use to source or find products on 1688 Chinese shopping app. If you still have questions for me as far as this particular tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or IDFish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.